Disclaimer: this is an imaginary story. Please don't relate it with any idol or any person. It's nothing related to anyone's life. It's pure work of fiction. Any resemblance to actual persons, living or dead, or actual events is purely coincidental. Whatever pics are shown in this story, they all have been taken from Google and Pinterest. The credit for them goes to their real owner. Storyline and voice are mine, so please don't copy that. A man came to bedroom to check his husband and son who were sleeping peacefully while cuddling with each other. He became mad because few minutes ago he woke them up but they both again slept. Yungi, I can't believe on them. Just few minutes ago I woke them up and they both again slept. First they themselves won't wake up, then blame me for not waking them up time. They both are sleeping like there is no tomorrow. Now I have to send them to washroom. Went closer to them and shook them. Jimin, Cookie, wake up. You both again slept. Shook them harshly. I said wake up. Jimin covered themselves with blanket. Has he lost his mind? I said to wake up and he covered himself and again slept. That's it. I can't tolerate this more. My patience has ended. If you both haven't woken up till 3, then I swear I will throw you in pool and give you only grass to eat. Started counting. 1, 2, 3. Jacob immediately sat on the bed. We are up. Don't cut our tasty food. Jungi looked at them. I want you two in the dining room in 15 minutes. Get ready fast. If you come half a minute late, then forget about your breakfast. You will get only salad. Your time starts now. Left. Cook angrily looked at Jimin. Appa, why does your husband always threaten us to cut our tasty breakfast? What enmity your husband has with our tasty food? Cookie knows your husband is a cat, but it doesn't mean your husband always ready to bite us. Jimin, while taking his and Cookie's clothes from wardrobe. My husband is your dada. If he listens that you are calling him cat, then he will cut your nana milk. Then don't come to me while crying. Jungi shouts from kitchen. Only 13 minutes are left. Cook hurt Jimin's legs. Appa, today cat is so angry. Let's get ready before cat scratches. They both ran to washroom. Jacob ran to dining room and saw Yungi was sitting there breakfast. They both quickly sat on their chairs. Yungi looked at them and slowly shook his head. Jimin smiled. Good morning, Yungi. Good morning, cat. Jimin shook his leg under the table. Cookie means good morning, Tata, said my smiling face. Yungi, very good morning, my latecomers. Served them salad. Jacob looked at salad. Watch this. Where are our tasty breakfast? Yungi, you both are late. So as I said you before, there is no tasty food. You will get only salad. Jimin, but when did we late? We reached on time. Yungi, look at your watch. Oops. How will you look at your watch when you forget it in our room? Jimin, oops, sorry. Yungi, sorry not accepted. Cookie won't eat this grass. Cookie didn't let your husband's hands are so small. He gave Cookie party slowly. So if Dada wants to punish anyone, then punish his small hands. That Appa, not Cookie. Jimin looked at him. Small hands, Appa. Now go to school by your big legs. Appa won't send you to school. Wait. Jimin, because Appa has a small hands, na? Yungi, will you eat your breakfast or not? Because your school and office will gonna start soon. Cook, Dada, please give cookies, tasty food. Otherwise, cookies, tasty food will waste. Cookies teacher said we shouldn't waste food. It's the disrespect of food. Cookies a good boy, nah. Cookie can't disrespect food. Jimin, same mine too. I promise tomorrow I will come before time. Please give us food. Yungi, okay, fine, but only for this time. If you come late tomorrow, then you won't get this grass too. They both had their dinner, breakfast, and left. Jimin dropped Cookie to his school and went to his office. Arthur's point of view. So this is Min family. Yunmin were very sweet and understanding couple. Cookie's the 3-year-old son. Just few days ago he started going to school. Both Yunmin were working couple and managed the house equally. They always shared everything together, but it doesn't mean they never fought. They fought a lot, but before going to sleep, they sat together and talked with each other and solved their differences. They believed that they shouldn't sleep with anger. They knew by talking they can solve any problem. They were very cheerful and learning parents. As Cookie is their first child, so they are still learning and observing his behavior. They made sure that they never fight in front of Cookie and say any wrong words in front of him. Cookie was very curious boy. He wanted to know everything. To solve his queries, they have to do very hard work. But both Yunmin were working couple. Yoongi was on high post, but 3 months ago he lost his job because of recession. That was very tough phase of his life. Yoongi broke down, but at that time Jimin and Cookie stood up with him. Instead of blaming and complaining, Jimin showed his support to him and took the responsibility of running the house in his hands. Jimin was doing work from home because of Cookie. He earned less amount. Yoongi's income was the main source of their survival. Jimin always got the offer of good jobs, but he denied because of Cookie. But this time Jimin got his dream job and Yoongi came forward and took the responsibility of house and Cookie on his shoulders. He engaged Jimin, encouraged Jimin to fulfill his dreams. Their neighbors, families, relatives, and friends didn't like the idea of Yoongi would stay at home and Jimin will earn. They all kept taunting him and trying to degrade him. Jimin felt so bad to see Yoongi suffering. So many times he decided to quit the job, but Yoongi made him understand. Time skipped in the evening. Yoongi was teaching Cookie and Cookie kept eating his brain by asking so many questions whose answer he didn't have. He was so frustrated from him. Cook, Dada, why can't we see air? Yoongi, because air is invisible. Cook, invisible means? Yoongi, invisible means whom we can't see. Cook, but Cookie can see air. Pointed his finger on his hairs who were moving. See, Cookie's hairs are moving. That means air is here. Cookie can touch air too. Yoongi, Cookie can feel air, not see and touch. Cook, but why? Yoongi, because air is colorless, odorless, and transparent mixes of gases. Cook, gas. But Cookie can see gas in the kitchen. There is a big gas cylinder. Yoongi, gas was inside the cylinder. Cookie can saw cylinder. Cook, oh, Dada said Cook, air is odorless, but Cookie can smell rose fragrance. Yoongi, That is room freshener. Because of that, you can smell air. Cook. But Dada, Yungi, now no more question. Please complete your homework fast. Cook. One last question, please. Yungi, no more question. When your appa comes, then ask some questions from him. Save some questions for him too. Yungi started teaching Cookie, but the doorbell rang and he went to open the door. There was a sad Jimin who was looking down. Yungi tried to talk with him, but he pushed Yungi and went into their room. Cookie went to Yungi and tugged his pants. Cook. Dada! Yungi looked at him. Cook. What happened to Appa? Appa is looking very sad. Yungi. I also noticed him. Maybe he had bad day. Cook. Cookie and Dada should go to Appa and ask him. Yungi. No, we should give him some space. He will be fine after a few minutes. Till then, come and complete your homework. Jimin hadn't come down the stairs yet. Here, Yungi was making Jimin's favorite dinner and snacks. Cookie was helping him too. They knew only tasty food can change Jimin's bad mood. Yungi was making pizza and Cookie was helping Yungi to kneading him. Cook punching the door. Today Cookie won't leave you. Cookie will show how much strong Cookie is. Flipped it and started punching it again. Yungi, Cookie, now think this door ran away with your precious Nana milk. Cook looked at the door and started punching more angrily. You mean it though? They get to snatch Cookie's precious Nana milk? Jimin came there and back up Yungi. What are you doing here? Yungi, just preparing for dinner. How are you now? Jimin, I'm fine. Looked at Cookie, who was busy in punching the door. Cookie, what are you doing? Cook, without looking at him. Appa, Cookie is teaching this mini door lesson. He dared to run away with Cookie's Nana milk. Yungi, he is helping me in kneading the dough. Leave him. Tell me, what happened to you? Why is your mood off? Jimin, I got promotion. Yungi stopped working and turned around. What? This is a good news. You got promotion in just 2 months. Jimin, they told me at interview that if they like my work, then after 2 months they will promote me in higher post. Yungi, but why are you sad? Jimin, because boss wants me to go with him in business trip. Yungi, then what's the problem? Go. Jimin, you don't have any problem? Yungi, no. Why would I have any problem? For how many days are you going? Jimin, whole 3 days. Yungi, silly, it's only 3 days and you are acting like 3 years. Jimin, how can you be so chill? I can't live without you and Cookie for 3 minutes and here is 3 days. No ways, I will deny him. Yungi cupped his face. Hey, are you mad? How can you even think about to deny this golden opportunity? When you will go on business trip, you will meet so many new employees of various companies. You will get the opportunity to meet them in future. They can hire you too. It's a golden opportunity. You should definitely go there and you will get extra incentives too. Jimin, you both are my golden opportunity. I never stay alone without you two. No, I can't go. Why don't you two come with me? Yungi, are you mad? You are going abroad, not in any lane. It's so expensive. Jimin, so what? By my incentives, we can go there. Cookie also wants to go anywhere. Cookie, will you come with Appa to abroad? Cook looked at Jimin. No, Cookie will go to amusement park with Dada. Appa should bring back Appa's moon pendant, bracelets, ring and earrings. Jungi smiled. See, our baby is so smart, not dumb like you. Now, no more arguments. You are going to abroad, that's final. We will join you through video call. After the dinner, we will do your packing. Jimin, but cook. No, but Appa, that is right. Cookie will also help Dada to do packing. He was fond of ornaments. Yoongi always brought him pendants and rings. When Yoongi lost his job, Jimin mortgaged his all these ornaments and paid this house on installment. They brought the house in installments. Cookie saw their parents struggle and never demanded for anything. Children learn from their parents. He knew the value of money. When Yunmin were struggling for money, he gave his piggy bank to them. Time skipped after few days. Yunmin came to their friend's wedding. Here, there, all the friends. Yoongi was talking with them. Jimin was feeding Cookie his food. Manwan, Yoongi, your son is so cute. See, he is helping everyone while eating his food. Yoongi looked at Cookie and proudly smiled. We taught him to help everyone. Men too. By the way, Yoongi, Jimin became more beautiful and confident than before. Yoongi, recently he went on few business trip. Because of that, his confidence boost. Men 3. Yoongi, why are you drinking soft drink? Wait, let me bring wine for you. Yoongi, no thanks, I left drinking. Men 1, shocked. What? Min Yoongi, who drinks like water, left drinking? I can't believe on it. Yoongi, earlier I wasn't dad. Now I have Cookie. I have to think about him. Alcohol isn't good for him. Men too. This isn't your duty to think about Cookie. It's Jimin's duty. Yoongi, Cookie is ours. Son, his responsibility is ours, not only you, Jimin. Men 3. Yoongi, are you really a top? How can you allow Jimin to work? He is going on business trip with his boss, and here you are handling the child. Be a dominant. Jimin should know his limits. He shouldn't work. He should stay at home and take care of child. Menwen, yeah, I'm agree with you. Yoongi, you should find any job. You have so much experience. If you want, then I can help you. I have so many contacts. Yoongi, no thanks. I already have some offers. I'm thinking about them. Most probably, I will say them no. Mentu, why? Did they offer less package? Yoongi, no, their package are higher than my previous job, but Men 1, but what? Yoongi, Cookie just started going to school and recently Jimin got promotion, so we all need some time. Men 2, need some time? Yoongi, are you insane? Jimin should adjust. Not you. Taking care of home and children's responsibilities are bottoms. You should only focus on your work. Your responsibility is only earning money. If you give bottom more liberty, then they won't take much time to dance on your head. Men 1, absolutely right. My wife also got the job offer, even higher package than me. Men 3, then what did you do? Men 1, I strictly denied her. I'm working, that's enough. I didn't get this much worse day to eat my wife's money. If she will earn more money than me, then she started ruining on me. No, I can't let this happen. Men 3, you did great. Wives should know their place. They should know they are behind us. Can't be equal. Men 2, my husband was saying I should also take care of our children like Yoongi. I badly scolded him in front of my children. Yoongi, you cut our nose because of you with this much low dignity. Our wife and husband started getting guts to open their mouth in front of us. Yoongi, you are such a spineless man. Men 3, I think now you are enjoying to stay at home and eating your husband's money. You are surviving on your husband's mercy. Laughed. Minwan, I think now Yoongi became bottom and Jimin top. Tell us who is ruling at bed. Teased him. Men 3. Of course Jimin laughed. Men 2. I think very soon Jimin will divorce you and marry with his boss. After getting job he became more confident and beautiful. Nobody can say he has a 3-year-old son. Men 1. I heard Jimin's boss is single and very handsome. Who wants to stay with a loser? Jimin will definitely leave him. Beautiful people always in find of new one. Coward and spineless Yoongi loved. Jimin came to Yoongi to ask for dance. He became shocked to hear all these things. Their friends are mocking Yoongi just because he chose to job. Their cheap and degraded words for Yoongi tear his heart apart. Tears were flowing from his eyes. He never thought to betray Yoongi. He never humiliated Yoongi. He never thought himself above than Yoongi. Then why do always people blame him and kept taunting Yoongi? Why he never thought about anyone then? Why do people try to provoke Yoongi against him? Why do they people always put finger on his character? All these questions were roaming inside his mind. He loved Yoongi a lot and can't hear these humiliating words for Yoongi. He decided to quit his job. Yoongi saw him and came to him. He wiped his tears and hugged him tightly. Yoongi, Jimin, what happened? Jimin, I will quit my job. I can't let you humiliate more. They are so mean. Yoongi held his hand and dragged him to his friends. I was listening everything. That didn't mean I'm agree with you. What do you know about Jimin? Except his upper beauty. What do you know about him? He's much more beautiful and pure by heart. You won't have any trust on your relationship, but I trust Jimin more than myself. Who are you to question about his character? In fact, you all don't even know about relationship. You're blind because of your ego. You don't need spouse. You need. How would you know the real meaning of love? Life partner is called better half, means our half part. I don't have any shame to eat my husband's money. That is our money, not only his. When I lost my job, then none of you come to help me. My husband was with me. He gave me his savings and mortgaged his ornaments to run the house. You all only know how to degrade anyone, not to support. If Jimin leaves his job, then who will run our house? If house and children are all ours, then why is the responsibility on only one person? No matter what do you think about me, I never cared. All I care about my husband and my son, and I will do anything, whatever I should do. I won't reply to you because if you fall on mud or mud fall on you, in both the case you will become dirty. Mud will stay same. You all are those mud. By wearing expensive clothes, no one become classy. You thought are very cheap and conservatives. Don't you dare to say any word against my husband. My husband is my pride. I can do anything for him. Let's go, Jimin. Yoongi replied them in their language and left with Jimin. Cookie followed them. The biggest reason of a rift in a couple's relationship is a society. If a couple is working, then society can't tolerate that the wife or bottom earns more than husband top. What difference does it make who earns more or who earns less? In the end, the money will belong to both of them, not only one of them. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. This society can never gonna understand you. being a wife or bottom. If you earn more than your husband or top, then society will definitely create a difference between you two. No matter how much caring or understanding your partner is, people will keep provoking and targeting his male dominant ego until he burst out and ruined his relationship. Junmin's friends kept targeting Yoongi by making fun of his staying at home, which hurted Jimin a lot because he never thought to insult Yoongi. But Yoongi supported him in front of everyone and shut their mouth. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.